In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a superscript text effect in Canva, even though Canva doesn't have a direct superscript feature. Let's dive in and explore how you can still achieve this effect with a few simple steps. To start, what you'll want to do is press the T on your keyboard, which is a handy shortcut for adding some paragraph text to your Canva project. Once you have your text box, imagine we are working with the expression B2. And we want that 2 to be in a superscript style. It might seem a bit tricky at first since there's no built-in option for this in Canva, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Now that you have your initial text, let's make some adjustments. Begin by resizing your text to your desired size, keeping in mind that it's easier to make these adjustments before making your superscript. Next, delete the character you want to superscript. In our case, that's the 2. Once removed, you'll need to create a separate text box specifically for this character. Again, press T to open a new text box and type the number 2. With this new text box in place, adjust the size of the 2. Since we want it to appear as a superscript, you'll need to scale it down so it complements the main text. Experiment with the size until you get the perfect balance. After resizing, position this smaller 2 alongside the letter B, placing it slightly above the baseline to mimic the superscript effect. Now suppose you want to move the letter and the superscript 2 together without altering their alignment. To achieve this, simply left-click and drag to highlight both of them. Then, click on the Group option. Grouping these text boxes allows you to drag them around your canvas as a single unit, making it convenient to reposition them wherever you like. Perhaps you want to replicate this look for another part of your project. In that case, Canva makes it easy. Just click Duplicate. This will create a copy of your grouped text, which you can then move anywhere on your canvas. To edit the text within the duplicated version, simply double-click on it, and you'll be able to make your alterations with ease. And there you have it. While Canva may not have a direct superscript function, with these adjustments and a little creativity, you can effectively create the appearance of superscript text. So go ahead and give it a try in your own projects. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.